Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix blurry wallpaper on Windows 11. So if you have blurry wallpaper, what we can do is you can just head over to your home page, right click on any space from there, and then you should be able to see the personalized settings or the display settings. If it actually doesn't show up, you can click on to these options right here, or you can just search from them on the search icon. Let's head over right here to our display settings. I actually clicked on that and it will open our settings right here. So what we can do is we can just adjust things into our actual display. So I have in here my display, and then from in there what we can do is we can just click onto this display resolution. Now once you have expanded it, you can see in here the recommended solution. So what you can do is you can just click onto that recommended solution and then make sure that it's actually the most compatible one for you, and in that way it should be able to fix the blurry image. Another option we can do is we can head over to the advanced display settings, and then from in there make sure to change up things like, for example, we have in here the refresh rate. Choose in here the refresh rate that is actually the most compatible. It's typically the highest one. On my case is 60 hertz. So I'll just need to click on to that and then save all the settings that I have adjusted. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.